We're pitching every stock in the world. Today, it's an iconic brand that's a firm favourite amongst adventurers across the globe, GoPro. GoPro is the maker of versatile action cameras that are used by surfers, mountain climbers and adrenaline junkies of all sorts. While surfing in Australia at the turn of the century, Nick Woodman had to tape a 35mm camera to the palm of his hand in order to try and capture some footage of the action. Recognising the difficulty that he and fellow surfers were facing in capturing their exploits, the idea for GoPro was born. An entrepreneur with 2 failed businesses behind him already, Woodman initially raised capital for his fledgling company by selling bead and shell belts from outside of his VW van. Since then, GoPro has released dozens of action camera lines that are used across the world. It's even expanded beyond cameras to include apps, accessories, an ill-fated drone, and even a subscription service with over 2 million members. GoPro has had its share of difficulties though. Management missteps have led to poor sales, numerous staff layoffs have occurred, and GoPro's share price is now sitting well off all-time highs. It's a tough world out there for consumer hardware companies, with cheap knockoffs and supply chain issues a constant threat. Plus, everybody has a camera on their phone nowadays. However, with an iconic brand and a passionate founder, do you think GoPro is due a turnaround? Let us know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe for more.